What's your favorite book?
Green eggs and ham. I read it in school and I brought it home.
Good. What is it about? What is the story?
This little cat is named Sam I Am. He wants the big cat to eat the green eggs and ham. But the big cat doesn't want to eat green eggs and ham. Yuck! But in the end, the big cat eats some of the green eggs and ham, and he likes them.
What is your favorite part of the story?
I like the part where Sam I Am and the big cat are in the air, and the big cat is saying all the places he will not eat green eggs and ham.
Oh, that sounds like a fun part. Let's go to the page and look at the pictures and then read it.
There is Sam I Am, and the green eggs and ham, and a goat, and a fox, and a mouse, and they are all going to fall in a boat.
That is a fun picture. Okay, now, how about you read starting here?
I will not eat them in a house. I will not like them. No, I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere.
You are a good reader. You know every word and you fixed your mistake. With some practice, you can read aloud and sound smooth like you're talking. Listen to me read the story. I will not eat them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere.
It is fun to read Green Eggs and Ham 'cause it rhymes. I am going to practice. I practice reading like you do, Mom. Now listen to me read. I will not eat them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere.
Wow, you really practiced. You can read fast, but fluent readers don't just read fast. They read like they are telling a story and emphasize some words more than others. How about a bit more practice?
Okay, I got it now. Smooth and like I am telling a story. I will not eat them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere.
You are a fluent reader, smooth like you are talking and with expression.